Well, that went down to the wire, quite unexpectedly so. But I guess that's what happens when you're such familiar foes. And eventually, Samay Srivastava tipped it for a run as Oman win by 2 wickets. Before we start with the formalities, the Asian Cricket Council would like to extend its gratitude to our broadcast partners, Sony Sports Network, and to all our sponsors, DP World, Hero MotoCorp, Air India Express, Indian Oil, Freeman's, and Kentaro. A special thank you to all the government bodies, local authorities, volunteers, and everyone who contributed to the smooth conduct of today's game as well. In the presentation party to my left is Mr. Tusit Pereira, General Manager, Finance and Operations, ACC, and he'll present the Player of the Match award. The Player of the Match is none other than Wasim Ali. An all-round performance gave stability when Oman needed it most, 30 runs of 28, and of course, took a twofer by just giving 20 runs in his stipulated 4. Wasim Ali, the Player of the Match. Wasim, congratulations. Let's start off with the bowling department. In the middle overs, you were the one who restricted everybody and also took the wicket of the captain.
No, it was kind of a slower side on the wicket over there, and I was just trying to bowl wicket to wicket as much, and that was a good wicket. I felt over that time we needed a wicket over there, and Ali Shan's wicket was something which changed the game for us a lot, I felt.
Did the pitch behave a little differently to what you expected?
No, it just stayed a bit straighter. It was kind of slow, it wasn't gripping a lot. That's what we were expecting, but it was coming onto the bat, I felt, and yeah.
Yeah, wonderful bowling effort, but I think what gives you more flowers is the batting effort. Your partnership with Sai Shiv was pivotal because at one point you were 46 for 3, trouble in the power play. Was there an instruction to just get some stability into the innings?
Yeah, pretty much. We had got good runs on the board on 4 overs, 46 and all, but just lost 3 wickets. And so me and Sai on the ground, we were just talking that we're going to take it long as we can. Just stay down. Eventually, we will get our boundaries where we want. And I think the plan worked out, and hopefully, really glad we win the game.
Yeah, I mean, it was nervy right at the end, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think that's cricket all about, I guess.
Yeah, well, congratulations, Wasim. Player of the match, Wasim Ali. Thank you. I'd like to invite Ali Shan Sharafu and have his take on this match as well. Disappointing result right at the end, but was it nervy?
Yeah, obviously disappointing to be on the losing side, but I just felt we were 25 runs short. Yes, the wicket was a bit slower than what we expected, but it was still pretty good to bat on. So I think lack of runs on the board cost us the game.
You decided to go into bat. What were the thoughts, and how did you want to approach the innings? And as you said, you were 25 runs short.
Obviously, we wanted to make use of the power play, but losing a couple early wickets, we had to, press the brake a little bit and then, try and take the game deeper. But I think credit to how we finished the innings in the first innings, and even we didn't have the best of starts in the second innings with bowling, but the way the boys fought back, credit to them, and in the end, it was a good game.
When Sai Shiv and Wasim were in the middle, they were trying to take the game away from you, but then suddenly there was a resurgence. What was the message that you'd sent to your camp?
Obviously not to provide any boundary balls. I think we had a period where we restrict them, without giving a boundary for about 3 overs. So I think that was crucial, just to get the run rate back up a bit, and chip in with a wicket here and there. So I think, again, anything could have happened in that last ball, but it is what it is.
Well, tough luck, Ali Shan. Better luck next time.
Thank you so much.
Ali Shan Sharafu, the captain of the UAE. Well, he's be smiling now. Hamad Mirza, the captain of Oman. But, Hamad, there was an instance, especially in that last over, where that smile would have been completely wiped off.
It was an interesting match. But
that's a nice way to put it.
But Alhamdulillah, we have won the match.
Yeah, what was the thought process? Because initially, at the power play, you all were going all guns blazing, but those wickets kept on tumbling.
Yeah, but my intention was to give good circle, so my team will take the charge.
Then eventually there was some stability. Did you send the message in to Sai Shiv Narayan and Wasim to just calm down and just take the singles right now?
Yeah, we have good runs on the board, so I told him to play the ground shots and take it long.
And then eventually Aryan Bisht also with some heroics, but then that last over, what was the mood in the dugout?
It was very intense in the dugout, but Alhamdulillah, we have won.
Yes, absolutely. You can smile right at the end. Congratulations, Hamad. Congratulations to Oman also. Eventually, last ball win by 2 wickets, and that's the end of the presentation.
Thank you, Atish. A big one coming up. 1 hour, 10 minutes will be live for the game against India A. versus Pakistan A in the DP World Asia Cup Rising Stars 2025. 5:30 local time first ball. 5:20 will be on air in Doha. 7:50 will be live in India. And 7:20 in Pakistan. 10 minutes build up and a massive game coming up. Don't go too far.